Good morning, guys. Just doing a quick little ES breakdown here for you guys again. We can see yesterday we got our a nice hold here of this support, this major support level that we had with, had these lows. This guy here, right? This high. So that was a nice move. If we go down to a smaller time frame, you can really see that hold. Worked out really well. This next level worked out. We got above the SMAs overnight, which has been nice. So now this is where things get interesting. We can see we have made a new high for the first time in a while. So that's definitely something to keep on watch. Are we going to continue with this short-term uptrend that we've been seeing? Or is this just going to be another low to this trend that we see right here? Right, so that's going to be something to watch for sure. If we're going long off this 812 level, we talked about that yesterday. This is the level where you want to start going long. If you do, we got to watch out for this. I'm not a trend line trader, but you got to be cautious of that. That's for sure. And then this next level up here at 68.52, where there's obvious, you can obviously see we have our lows in here, highs, lows, right? So that's a pretty obvious area. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I do think there is a possibility we get some selling at the open into this little block of SMAs before we get this move. The only way I'll be going long on ES today is over 812, right? 812.75, 812, that level. You can see these major highs back here. We got these lows here. We got this high up in here, right? So for me, this is the watch. I do think it's possible that we'll see this first. But it's just nice to see making new highs. If we go like this, we can get the VIX on this side. So yeah, this is working out now. We have taken out that low and are making new lows on the VIX and finally making new highs on ES. So that's definitely something to watch for. If we see volatility dropping, holding below 20 is good for the bulls, that's for sure. If we see continued downside on VIX index, I do think that's going to open up more room for long positions on ES. So that's what I'll be watching today. I'm going to put an alert right under here on VIX and then probably another one here just to make sure I understand or am aware of VIX dropping, giving us more opportunity for long positions on ES.